This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by importing your mono file into Audacity. This keeps the original safe. Once imported, duplicate the mono track or add a blank stereo track so you can route audio into left and right channels separately. Make sure the project sample rate matches your source because mismatched rates cause clicks or pitch shifts. You do this now to avoid quality loss later. So first duplicate or create a stereo target, then select the source track to prepare for channel assignment. Next, assign audio to left and right. If you duplicated the mono, place one copy into the left channel and the other into the right by panning each track hard left and right. This instantly creates a stereo field. Once done, add subtle differences, delay of a few milliseconds, slight EQ tilt, or different reverb sends to make the channels distinct and avoid a hollow, facey sound. These small changes are why stereo feels wider. They create timing and frequency contrasts between channels. To finish, mix and render your stereo tracks into one stereo file so export writes distinct left and right channels. Choose File Export and select WAV or MP3, verifying the export dialog shows two channels. Listen in mono to check for phase cancellation. If audio loses bass or sounds thin, invert one channel or reduce the delay and EQ differences until the mono sum stays solid. If clicks happen, reconfirm project rate and re-export. You'll now have a usable stereo file.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.